Salut, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ton professeur de français. So today we are going to start with another interesting lesson of Apprenons le français part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. It is the 7th chapter of your book, and let's get going to the first page. And once again, like the other chapters, here we are at the first page of the lesson number 7, that is Quel jour sommes-nous? It means which day is it? And as you can guess from the name of the chapter only, that this would be kind of something related to the days. Well, yes, in this chapter we are going to learn the 7 days of the week, and then the verb aller, which is the only irregular verb with er ending. So now let's first quickly read it all out. So there is the short conversation in the first segment of the chapter, and before that there is an image given to us which tells us the timetable of all of the 4 students that are talking. Well, the speaking persons of this conversation are Manuel, Caroline and Anish, though Isabel is also there. So let us read the conversation out. Écoutez et regardez, it means listen and see. Manuel says, Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? Today, which day is it? Caroline replies, Nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. The day today is Thursday. Then Manuel says, demain nous avons le cours d'anglais. It means that, tomorrow we have a course of English. Nous avons un cours d'anglais. J'adore l'anglais. It means I love English. Then we have Anish saying that et après-demain c'est le weekend. It means and the day after tomorrow it is weekend. That is c'est le weekend. Then we have Caroline saying that alors tu vas où le samedi? And that means so where are you going on Saturday? Isabelle et Manuel vont à la piscine. Isabelle and Manuel are going to the swimming pool. Anish replies that je vais au club de sport. It means I am going to the sports club. Et Caroline replies that le samedi je vais à la piscine, mais ce samedi nous allons au cinéma. It means that on Saturday I go to the swimming pool, but this Saturday we are going to the cinema. So here we have the true and false of this comprehension, that is dite vrai ou faux, which means tell if it is true or false. So let us read the sentences. There are in total 5 true and false that we are going to do. So let us go on and see the first one, that is Manuel a un cours d'anglais vendredi. It means Manuel have a course of English the Friday. So here we have, if we see to the timetable, that in the Friday, yes, there for sure is the course of English, and therefore it is true. Then we have the next sentence, that is demain ils ont un cours de français. Tomorrow they have a course of French. So today they are saying that it is Thursday, then tomorrow will be Friday, that is vendredi, and if we see there is no course of French in it. So therefore it is faux, which means it is false. Now if we go on to the next page, here we have the third part, and that is samedi il va la piscine. On Sunday he will go to the swimming pool. So Manuel for sure will go to the swimming pool, as it has been said that Isabelle and Manuel vont à la piscine. That means Isabelle and Manuel are going to the swimming pool. So that is true. The third sentence is true. If we see to the fourth sentence, Caroline va à la piscine le dimanche. So there is nothing that we have talked about the Sunday. Dimanche means Sunday. So therefore this sentence is for sure false, as we do not know if she is going to the swimming pool the Sunday or not. Then we have the fifth sentence, that is Anish va au club de sport. It means Anish is going to the sports club. Well, yes, on the Saturday he is going to the sports club. So this is true, that is vrai. So now here we have completed the question and answers, and now let us see the one of the most important topics of this chapter, that is les jours de la semaine. It means the days of the week. So écoutez et répétez. In French we have the days, and in English we have them as well. So let us read them out one by one, first in French and then in English. Lundi, which means Monday. Mardi is Tuesday. Mercredi is Wednesday. And then we have jeudi, which is Thursday. Vendredi is Friday. Samedi is Saturday, and dimanche is Sunday. So this is a very important topic, and let us read it out once again. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. And dimanche is Sunday. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. It means there are 7 days in a week. And now here is a short cute poem for us for the weekends. So let us read them. The name of the poem is Le Weekend. It means the weekend, and I will first read the poem in French and then we'll see the meaning in English. So the poem starts from Demain, c'est quel jour? Demain, c'est lundi. Non, c'est mardi. Non, non, c'est jeudi. Non, c'est mercredi. Oh là là, c'est quel jour demain? Demain, c'est samedi. Ah, oui, c'est samedi. Bon weekend. It means that tomorrow, which day is it? Tomorrow, it is Monday. The another person says, no, it is Tuesday. Then the first person replies that, no, it is Thursday. No, it is Wednesday. Oh la la, the person or the friend who has asked the question in the starting is in an exclamation, and he is also frustrated and wants to know that which day is it tomorrow. Tomorrow it is Saturday. Ah yes, it is Saturday, the other person also exclaims. And they all cheers up and together says, have a good weekend, bon weekend. So here we have learned about the poem, and now let us see the second most important topic of the lesson number 7, that is the verb aller. It means to go, and it is an irregular verb. That is, let us read the conjugation of verb aller. And it is je vais, it means I go or I am going. Tu vas, you go or you are going. Il va means he goes or he is going. Elle va is she goes or she is going. Then we have the plural one, that is nous allons, we go or we are going. Vous allez, you go or you are going. Ils vont, they go or they are going. And elles vont also mean that they go or they are going, but just the difference is that ils vont is in masculine and elles vont is in feminine. So we have already seen that aller is the only er ending verb which is irregular. But now let us understand about the uses of aller verb. That is, it is firstly to talk about going somewhere. The use is basically its meaning only, that je vais à l'école, I am going to the school or I go to school. Then we have the second use, that is, it is also used to talk about someone's health or how are things in general. Like for example, whenever we say comment ça va, then we always reply that ça va bien or ça va bien merci, et toi. So we have learnt about the greetings in the lesson number 1 for sure, and yeah. So now va being used here in the sentence ça va bien is a conjugation of verb aller in the subject pronoun of il and elle. So now we understand how the verb aller is also used to talk about someone's health and of going somewhere. Now let us read our all-time favorite Apprenons Table. In this table, we learn about all the new words that are written to us in the chapter, and Apprenons means let us learn. As you all know that the name of your book is Apprenons le Français, it means let us learn French. So aujourd'hui means today. Bon weekend, it means have a nice weekend as used in the poem. And then we have Quel jour sommes-nous? Which day is it? Or cinéma means to the movies. Combien means how much or how many. Demain is tomorrow, and à l'école it means to school. Hier is yesterday. Il y a means there is or there are, and il y a will be used frequently when you will read the Apprenons le Français Part 2 book. Then we have the next one, that is un jour, which is a day. À la maison is to the house. À la piscine is to the swimming pool. À la plage is to the beach. Quel sont means which are. Une semaine is a week, and le dimanche means Sunday or every Sunday. Le samedi means on Saturday or every Saturday. As you remember that in the conversation, Caroline said that every Sunday we go to the swimming pool, but this Sunday we are going to the cinema. So here we have an example that au cinéma is also written here to understand the meaning. And then we have à la piscine, which is also used. Then we have le samedi, which is on Saturday. So here we have successfully completed the whole chapter with a theoretical manner, and for the question answers in master key, you can go on to the other playlist which will help you to master this whole lesson. I hope that you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if there is any doubt regarding to the chapter, you can visit my YouTube channel. In the comment section you can put your question. Bye bye and have a nice day.